the Los Angeles Auto Show. We're looking at the Maybach, Mercedes-Benz. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at that beauty. A luxury car. Yeah. Okay, we're here at the LA Auto Show and we're looking at the new Jaguar Waymo, which is a driverless car utilized by Uber in Los Angeles. So you could see the beauty and the high technology in the car to be able to drive around Los Angeles. Such a beauty. Wow. Look at the inside. Nice. All right. This right here is called VinFast. And this is a Vietnamese made automobile. It's a Vietnamese company that has an assembly plant right here in the United States. Look at the beauty of it.
Oh, you do that? Oh, oh, that's weird.
We're entering the Kia stand. It's probably one of the better built cars from Korea. Made in America. That one looks beautiful. Open the door.
Shut the door.
This is the K5 GT line.
No.
Yeah. $2025.
C, 3 years, 10,000 miles. Let's go quick. 10 seconds on the clock up. All right. What do you think it is? 8, 5, or 3? A. Okay, you guys are pretty solid on that. Let's see if you're correct. Answer is A. Great job. And let's see how our contestants are doing. Ooh, nice. We're getting closer and closer to the end. Player 3 in the lead. Now, this is the very last question.
This is the 2025 Bronco Sport freewheeling.
I don't know if you got it, but if you had to guess what the A or C. A.
Look at this beauty right here. Bronco Sport.
What I used to do for conventions.
Oh. This is the 2024 Escape Hybrid. Wow. I like that truck. 2025 Explorer ST. It looks like it's all electric. Oh no, it's gas. I could see the exhaust pipes. This is the GT Ford. Mustang, Bilstein by Mercedes-Benz.
And a TV? That's ridiculous.
Come with a TV?
Yeah. That's crazy.
Wow. It's crazy. This is the Tesla. Very ugly.
And expensive. Absolutely hideous.
Sorry about that.
No, I'll go down there.
This is a Chevy Blazer.
Maybe it's like some kind of biodegradable stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird material.
Look at that one, Cheryl. The trailer. Yeah. Huh?
It has a stove and a sink.
Wow. A stove.
Stove and a
Kitchen. Oh. That is so cool. Open the cabinets.
How do you open it? Oh, over here. Okay. Oh, wow.
Disposal.
That's wow. That's everything you need.
That is so cool. We're looking at the classic Volkswagen here. Wow. Look at this. Wow. This is the classic, old school. We're at the Subaru stand. Subaru is well known by the sturdy cars where you could actually survive an accident. This is Subaru stand. It's a beautiful stage where things are moving. It makes you feel as if the car is moving. We are in the exotic super performance section of the exhibit. And this is a Ferrari, a Porsche, I'm sorry. And we have a Bentley. Aston Martin. Bentley. Bentley, wow. Look at that beauty, Aston Martin. And then right here we have a, what kind of car is this? Lamborghini. I feel like a giant right next to this car. This is a McLaren.
There's a couple big names investigating. I'm gonna ask my son. He probably won't even know. Probably, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the brand right here, it's to the baker. This is the Toyota Prius Prime. $40,000. This one is nice. This one is a Toyota Crown, valued at $51,000. Okay, we're at the Tesla exhibit. This is the Model Y. This is the Model X. And the doors open like an airplane. Oh, you're good. You're good. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Handle nothing. Jeez. Not even cardboard. I mean, the order. Oh, right there.
That's just a toy, right? Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Right. Model 3. Model 3. Very spacious. Now we're in the Chevrolet stand. 2025 Blazer EV SS. This is a beauty. All electric. Oh my God, look at this. "100% electric." All right, Amazon, get ready. Now we're gonna see that one that my wife was telling me that there's a couch on top of it. Wow. Look at that. Whole couch fits in there. Wow. This is the 2025 Blazer EV RS, valued at $60,000. Wow. Fully electric. I like this one here. The Equinox. All electric. This baby is probably valued at about $50,000. So we'll look at the sticker price. And voila, $54,000. This one is the 2025 Equinox EV LT. And this one is valued at $45,000. We're at the Honda stand. This is the Prologue Honda.
Doubts will destroy dreams. More I seem to believe.
This is valued at $60,000. Wow. This is the Honda Civic. Still looking ugly. No. $33,000. I wouldn't buy it. Now this one here looks a lot better. It's the Honda Civic Type R, valued at $47,000. It looks beautiful. What I don't like about it is that the interior has not evolved. It still look ugly and basic, nothing new. So no. We're looking at a concept car, and this is from the stand called Stellantis. Such a beauty. So the Alfa Romeo. And we're back. This concept car right here looks pretty futuristic. It's beautiful. I like the concept car. It's a lot of glass. All electric Chrysler. Halcyon concept. Okay, we're at the Fiat stand. This is beautiful. Economy car. Fiat has always been able to make small cars like this, very economy and economic on gas. We'll see. This is the Fiat 500. It's all electric. Wow. Beautiful. This one is another beauty. The Fiat 500 as well. It's a two-door car, all electric. The sticker price is $36,000. Yeah, I could buy this. This is beautiful. I wonder how many miles. Oh, the EPA is 162 miles.
Just right for me. This is perfect for me. I love it. My birthday gift? Yes.
It's all electric, right?
All electric.
All right.
Right.
Boys.
This is the Kona all-electric
World Performance
Hyundai.
Car of the Year, the Ioniq 5N.
The sticker price for this sucker is $41,000, starting at $32,000. The range is 200 miles.
Well, they have these ones for 32.
Yeah, for 200 miles. That's not bad. I like it. I like this one.
All through a simple text message or a WhatsApp message on your phone.
It's kind of simple on this.
We thank you so much for visiting us here, and before you leave, on your way out from our display at the front, we have an enter to win kiosk. Go ahead and enter that, because you will have a chance to win a grand.
This is the Kona again. It's starting at, oh, wow, this one started at $24,000. Wow. Yeah. Hyundai. I like this one. This is more affordable. Yeah, I like it.
That's the back.
Open it.
I don't know how to open it. Isn't there space here?
Nice. We're here at the Crypto Arena, home of the Lakers. And this is the LA Kings hockey team.